During Haitian Cultural Awareness Week, many events were planned in the New York metropolitan area to celebrate Haitian Flag Day on May 18th, or 18 May. This date in 2002 commemorated the 199th anniversary of the creation of the Haitian flag. Although this year's Haitian Flag Day parade was cancelled due to rain, the crowning event was the Nostrand Avenue Haitian Street Festival in the heart of Brooklyn's Haitian neighborhood. Haitien campé papa! Haitians gathered on Nostrand Avenue to celebrate our proud history and heritage.
Mr. Machumacounts. Gunshot. 18 May. Flag Day for those that are Haitians and those that wish they were. Remember that Brooklyn has either the first or second largest Haitian population outside of Haiti. And I believe that Florida has less than Brooklyn.
Haïtiens capables de mettre tête ensemble, un mouvement de réconciliation nationale, un mouvement côté chaque Haïtien capable de prendre conscience que le pays n'a pas arrêté janvier. L'Union fait la
force. In 1812, Haitian troops helped to drive the British out of America and save the United States. Haitian troops did it. The United States owes a debt to Haiti. The Haitian troops helped to drive the British out, and we have never repaid that debt. I can't hear you.